Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can delete your Zedge account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Zedge account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Zedge application. The homepage of Zedge application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on My Zedge. Tap on little gear icon at the top right side of the screen and then click on Zedge account option. On the next page, tap on Manage account. Now all you need to do is click on Delete account. From the drop down, tap on Delete account once again. Confirm deletion of your Zedge account by tapping on Delete. This is how you can delete your Zedge account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.